Vietnamese cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors. Let's explore 10 must-eat dishes that you can't miss. Pho at Pho 2000 in Ho Chi Minh City. This iconic noodle soup, enjoyed by President Bill Clinton, features a fragrant broth simmered for hours with beef bones, star anise, and cinnamon. It's served with tender rice noodles, thinly sliced beef, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lime. Banh mi at Banh mi Phuong in Hoi An. This French-inspired baguette is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, filled with savory meats like pork or chicken, creamy pate, pickled vegetables, fresh cilantro, and a drizzle of spicy mayonnaise, making it the perfect street food delight. Bun ca at Bun ca Haong Lien in Hanoi. This dish, made famous by President Obama, includes juicy grilled pork patties and slices of pork belly served with a side of vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and a tangy dipping sauce made of fish sauce, lime, and garlic. Chow Lao at Morning Glory in Hoi An. This unique dish combines thick, chewy noodles, slices of roast pork, crispy pork cracklings, fresh greens, and herbs, all brought together by a rich, smoky broth made from ash-treated water. Goi Quan at Quan An Long in Ho Chi Minh City. These fresh spring rolls are filled with shrimp, pork, vermicelli noodles, and a variety of fresh herbs, all wrapped in delicate rice paper. They are served with a dipping sauce made of hoisin sauce, peanut butter, and crushed peanuts. Mi Quang at Mi Quang Ba Mua in Da Nang. This turmeric yellow noodle dish is topped with shrimp, pork, quail eggs, and peanuts, and is often garnished with fresh herbs and crunchy rice crackers. The broth is light yet flavorful, making it a regional specialty of central Vietnam. Kaka at Kaka La Von in Hanoi. This dish of turmeric-marinated fish is cooked tableside with dill and green onions and served with vermicelli noodles, peanuts, fresh herbs, and a side of fermented shrimp paste for an added punch of flavor. It dates back to the early 20th century. Bon Zio at Bon Zio 46A in Ho Chi Minh City. These crispy, savory pancakes are made from rice flour and turmeric, filled with shrimp, pork, bean sprouts, and mung beans. They are folded in half and served with fresh lettuce and herbs to be wrapped and dipped in a sweet and sour fish sauce. Hue Thieu at Hue Thieu Ton Chien in Ho Chi Minh City. This southern Vietnamese noodle soup features a clear and flavorful broth made from pork bones and dried squid.